How are you?
Good. And I have my blue tobacco.
Awesome.
I got 2 buckets.
2 buckets?
Yeah, see? A back
Yeah.
and a front bucket.
Awesome.
And you don't know where has the stabilizer.
Where's your stabilizers?
It's here.
That's cool.
And look, they are in the book.
Yeah.
Look, watch this. Turn.
Oh wow, the chair can turn
For any side.
for any side.
Yeah, and this, see? And look, look, a dump truck here.
Wow, dump truck. What's in your dump truck?
Legos.
Legos. You play with them?
Yeah, see? A Lego. They got more.
There's a bunch of Legos there too.
Look. Attach.
Yeah, they do attach like that, eh? Okay, so what are you doing, Liam?
A shovel.
Okay, so you've got a shovel there. Okay, so what are you doing?
Let's see which thing it has which.
Which one's got a bigger scoop? The spoon, the shovel, or what's this? Backhoe. Which one's got a bigger scoop? Let us know.
This one.
Which one?
That.
Which is this one? Because from where I'm sitting, it looks like you're showing at the shovel that's bigger. Which one's got a bigger scoop?
Back.
The backhoe.
And I got rackies.
You got elastics.
Yeah, and this was that. I had this one.
Yeah, this thing kind of worn out after like 2 weeks of usage. So we use an elastic to keep it together.
Yeah, to hold it up.
Yeah, otherwise it just keeps on falling down, eh?
That.
Yeah.
See, it's blue. I don't think
Yeah.
it's flat.
I don't know.
Look, I lost.
Ooh.
This is where it is. Oh,
Okay.
wait. Where here? Engine!
Where's the engine?
It's here.
Right in there.
Can't open it.
No, you can't open it. That is
I
not.
need I get real up this.
Is
I
it?
can open the door.
You want to open doors?
The more control ones.
Is it?
The one take one. I want a double trailer and a truck.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
So I'm sorry, color which. Go check
Is
it
it?
out. Go check it out. Check the arms right blue.
Awesome. Yeah. Red and blue is always your favorite, eh?
Yes.
What's that?
Freaky.
Yes, it's
It's
a
a
washing
little
pig.
monster.
A washing pig that's landed between the Legos. How? I don't know. Okay, so Liam was in actual fact playing with his backhoe
Yeah.
and the dump truck. And he's playing with the Legos. So he was, I think he was scooping it. Isn't it? So how did the Legos get in here?
They can't.
They can't by themselves, they need help. Awesome.
But then put the bucket down for that.
Pop it down, scoop it up.
Then yeah, see, you can lock it.
You can lock it. Wow.
What's
So there's a locking lever there. Awesome.
Yeah, these are the lockers.
It is, eh?
Now, wait, did I forget to tell you what's this?
What's what?
Hydraulic cylinder that you can take off.
Hydraulic cylinder.
Yeah, you can take this off.
You can take. I don't think you're supposed to take it off.
Look, it's not, it has to be in a place. No, it's just coming off.
Yeah, it has to be in there. Okay, must mommy try and fix it again? Okay, you fixed it? Okay, cool. Okay, so now you've got all the Lego.
Bucket.
There's the bucket. Okay, this one works. Cool. So you've got all the Legos in there.
Now, where do they go?
Where do they go? Do they go over there? Not. Do they go in the container?
They're not anywhere.
No. Where are they gonna go? I think they must go. Do. There. I think they must go and lie with the guitar. What do you think? Not. Where must they go?
Hold on.
What was that? Did you guys also hear that? It must go into the dump truck and dump it.
Oh, so you can move up? Oh, let's go to where you can dump.
What is that?
A spider.
It's a spider.
It's a Lego.
Okay, thank goodness it's a Lego spider and not a real one.
Yeah. Go check the real spider one. It's a spider.
Yeah, I don't know. Where's, yeah, I think we've looked at cross spiders, but I don't know whether we've put up. I think I was going to look for it.
But look, this spider. 8 legs.
Okay, so how many legs does a spider have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Awesome.
8
How
legs.
many eyes does a spider have?
8.
Also 8. Not always.
Some
Some of them's got 8. Some of them's got 6.
Some of them got 2.
And some of them's got 4. Yeah.
Like Lucas.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lucas is my favorite spider.
Okay, so Lucas is it? What type of spider is Lucas?
I jumped the spider.
Okay, yes.
And he can talk.
Yes, there's a little program which is called Lucas the Spider and loves spiders. So he loves Lucas. So all jumping spiders is called Lucas in this house. I mean, not in the house.
Wait, hold on.
outdoors. What's that? There's a toy box. Please don't tell me. Yeah, see, this is a toy room. As you can see, we've got Hot Wheels, we've got a map there, skateboard. He's taken everything out the cupboard. There's also the toy cupboard, all our posters.
I don't know what's looking.
So yeah, this is the toy room, the play room, and sometimes there's also our studio as well. Do 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 do. And there's also a bookshelf with our 3D puzzles and some more toys just stacked in there. So this is a normal little toy room. It's not little. What now? With toys lying everywhere. What is that? A little dump truck.
It's a building.
Awesome. Yeah. This is a build-it-yourself DIY truck. So you can. What is the different trucks you get with this, Liam?
You make it to an excavator.
Yeah, you can do excavator,
You make it to a bulldozer.
a bulldozer. What else can you make?
Wait, where's the cabinet of that?
I've got no clue where's all your cabinets and things because it must be somewhere. It's between Legos. No, Legos have now been left alone. There's all those things, bags. Do you think it's in the toy box? Well, it's not an actual toy box. It's just a box. Did you find it? What's in there?
Please go check it out.
Okay.
Oh,
What's stuck inside there?
yeah!
There we go, a skid steer. That is your skid steer, right? That is your skid steer, right?
Yeah, I can open this one.
Okay.
And let's see how we can. No. Oh, this. And then,
You can also dump it.
yeah, let's see. Let's one.
Okay, one more.
Let's one. One more.
One more. Which one you want to find?
Just a something.
Which one you want to find?
I can just see a bucket.
You see a
Big
bucket?
yellow bucket.
A big yellow bucket. I see a nerve gun. And I see loads
Something.
more trucks. What's that?
A loader.
It's a loader.
What's up?
Which is that one?
It's made with this one. Small.
Yeah, that is an excavator mix dump truck mix something. That's a special edition
Two
something.
trucks.
Yeah. So how does that one work? You're going to show us quickly.
Yeah. But looks like I need a
Okay. So you can see That is your watch going beep beep
Look
there.
at this! Army!
Tommy. Awesome.
And
So
that's
we've
all.
got this, which has got your bucket and the boom and the
Yes.
arm. And
But-
it's got a dumper on it
But I
as
want to
well.
talk to you after I need with a bucket and a boom in the arm.
Oh, you
An
will say.
excavator!
Yeah, it does.
I need an excavator.
Okay. So,
None of these construction vehicles. These are plastic.
yeah, they
Some
are.
of them made in China.
Okay.
And look. I'll show you what. Come.
There is
Come closer.
loads of construction vehicles.
I see a little bit. See that?
See, this is a box. So this is a box full of construction vehicles, guns, whatever toys they throw in here.
Whatever this is.
What is it?
How many letters?
They are quite old, eh?
Yeah, old.
Well, how old are they? Do you know?
They're like now they're 6 years old. Oh, 4 years old, like
Yeah, they're 4 years old because you got them, I think, when you were around about 2 years old.
yeah,
And they're still going strong. These are caterpillar ones, I think.
yeah. See, just look. A loader. That's a loader.
Yeah, I think they were. Yeah, I think these ones were caterpillar ones. Definitely caterpillar ones are strong.
And we need the batteries for them.
Okay, so even if you get batteries, they won't work because yeah, Liam decided they needed a bath, isn't it? So because they've had a bath, these buttons don't work anymore because it's all rusty inside, so we can't put batteries.
But this one has batteries. This one has a battery.
It's got a compartment for batteries, but I don't think there's batteries in there. I think we took them out.
Hey, look. The hydraulics.
What's that?
The hydraulics.
Look how cute little hydraulics. See it? Let me see. Let me show them nicely.
Black. That's it. Color.
There, yeah, you can see that over there.
Yeah, they bumps.
Yeah.
Let's see how many. Oh, look. It's just low. See the bumps.
Yeah.
Let's see the difference. Look at the size.
Look at the difference in size.
Okay.
Okay. Which one is bigger?
This
This
is-
one
That was the smallest.
or this one? Oh, look at those wheels. They are
Big.
gigantic wheels. Look at that comparisons. They are huge.
Yeah, huge.
So definitely, this one is the winner for being the biggest.
Huh? It's for those who do it. And that to me is the smallest.
Aw.
Yeah, he's small. Oh, let's go check. That's a mixer.
A cement
Made in
mixer.
China.
Okay, and then? Yeah. Basically, all toys are made in China.
Says some of them are not.
Yeah, just a few
The
of them.
rulers are made in German.
Germany. In Germany, they speak German.
Well, we now see everyone. I'm more rooted than him.
Okay, yes, we've got a brooder book and he's put in his wish list of the brooders that he wants. I mean, he's put his wish list in of the brooders that he needs. Because apparently, all of these construction vehicles aren't enough.
We need more.
Need more.
Yeah. Look, 3 more construction vehicles is 60.
Is it?
Yeah. A loader, a squid, a truck.
There we go. Awesome.
Yeah. Wait, let's see.
Oh my goodness, vacuum cleaner is also in the picture here.
See this?
They're all
The
friends.
dump truck and the excavator are long,
Yeah.
but the excavator is the longest.
It is because he's got a long arm to make him even longer.
Yes. Because he can use that.
Yeah, he can, eh?
But you can put it on the tip. To make into a garbage truck.
To make him into a garbage. How is this a garbage truck? Please tell me.
You have to put the bucket in the boom and arm under.
So this,
It's a bucket.
the bucket, is the garbage section.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we'll get you what?
Interesting. And
No,
there's your garbage truck.
So really go check it out.
Yeah, you must go and check out his garbage truck video. That's so cool.
Yeah. Wait, where's the blocks that I use? I'm gonna find them.
The blocks are probably somewhere in that cupboard, or somewhere in the shelves.
Nope.
Nope, not there.
Here, maybe.
Maybe in the box. No. Okay, so we're gonna go and look for blocks.
So yeah, let's find it. Check it out.
Okay.
The blocks are right over there. I just
Yeah,
put
so
them in my Lego.
yeah, the blocks are in there in that bag over there. But Liam wants to rather play with his Legos.
Yeah. Is my Legos and my sister's?
Yeah, it's yours and Malaika's Legos, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
My
So
dad also done it.
yeah, Daddy
Yeah,
also
we
played
are.
with it. Yeah, it was for Daddy's work. They had to show what they've done while they were in lockdown. So, what is that? A little monster truck. Yeah, they do. Oh, you're going in now, Liam? Okay. We'll see you again soon.
Bye, guys.
Bye, Liam.
Go down low. Give a thumbs up.
Where's your thumb? I can't see your thumb. Where's your thumb? That's it. And
And come down below.
you've said that. Which other one they've got to do?
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe and
Click the bell.
yeah, click the bell so that you know when our other videos are coming out.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Enjoy playing with Legos.